In this video, you will see how to type at symbol on iPad keyboard. If you have a small keyboard on your iPad, what you need to do is just first tap on 1, 2, 3 button here, and after that you will see the at symbol. Just tap on this symbol to get the at symbol. If you have a full size keyboard like this, you can tap on 1, 2, 3 buttons here, and then you will see the at symbol. Just tap on it to type. Then press on ABC button to go back to the normal typing. Notice that here also the at symbol appears. And if you want to type the at symbol, you just have to drag A button below to type the at symbol. If you have a physical keyboard attached to your iPad, then you can press and hold the shift button on your keyboard and press to type at the rate symbol on iPad keyboard. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about iPad quickly. See you again in the next one.